In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom avatars. Whether you're looking for a fun way to engage during meetings or just want to keep your camera off while still being present, Zoom avatars offer a creative solution. With today's guide, you'll quickly learn how to set up and use avatars to enhance your virtual gatherings. First, you're going to want to join or start a Zoom meeting. Now, this can be any meeting, maybe one you've scheduled yourself, or an impromptu catch-up with friends or colleagues. Zoom avatars are available once you're in a meeting, so go ahead and get that going. Once you're in the meeting interface, locate the Start or Stop video button. It's usually found towards the bottom left of your screen, depending on your Zoom configuration and updates. Next to this button, you'll see a small upward-facing arrow, often referred to as the caret or pointer. Click on it. This button gives you quick access to various video settings without ending your meeting or disrupting the flow for other participants. After clicking the arrow, a list of options will appear. Here, look for and select the setting that says Choose Video Filter or Avatars. The language used here may slightly differ depending on your version of Zoom, but it's typically pretty intuitive. Once you've entered this new menu, you'll discover a range of avatar options available to you. From animals to fantasy creatures, there's likely something that fits your mood or tone for the meeting. Explore the options, and once you've found an avatar that resonates with you, go ahead and select it. Simple clicks will allow you to try them out before settling on your favorite. The avatar you choose will then replace your live video feed during the meeting. This means, instead of seeing your beautiful face, meeting participants will see the animated character you've picked. Avatars are a fantastic way to inject some personality and humor into meetings, especially when you're not feeling camera ready. The facial movements and expressions may even mimic your own, making it quite an engaging experience for everyone involved. Lastly, if you decide you no longer want to use the avatar, switching back to your regular camera is just as simple. Return to the same menu where you chose the avatar and simply select None, or you can directly switch back to your standard camera feed without a filter. This flexibility ensures that you maintain control over your appearance and presentation in the digital space. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Zoom avatars to bring some fun into your meetings while keeping things professional or lighthearted as desired. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy experimenting with these exciting features in your next Zoom call.